Magandang araw po mga kaibigan. Para makuha natin yung ating mga pangarap sa buhay, tatlo ang kailangan natin. Pera, kalusugan at time freedom. Health, money, and time freedom. Ano po sa palagay mo ang pinakamahalaga sa buhay mo ngayon? Kalusugan, pera, or time freedom? Ngayon po, what if we can show you an opportunity where you can get better health, money, and time freedom? Would you be interested? Kung halimbawa meron tayong paraan para tayo po ay lalong maging malusog, dumami ang ating income at meron pa tayong oportunidad na to enjoy them. Sapagkat marami healthy, wala naman pera. Marami naman may pera, may sakit naman. Marami healthy, may pera, pero wala nang oras o pagkakataon para ma-enjoy ang mga ito. So what if I can show you how we can do it? Would you be interested? Ngayon, umpisahan po natin yung kahalagahan ng kalusugan to show the importance of health. And to do so, let me ask three important questions. Question number one, which is better, health or sickness? Health is not valued till sickness comes. So, ang katapat po ng health ay illness. So, alin ang gusto natin, health or sickness? Question number two naman po, which would cost more, a preventive lifestyle or a today's cost of healthcare? At sabi nga po ni Lee Swanson, if you think the pursuit of good health is expensive and time-consuming, try illness. At dito naman po sa quotation, reason to stay healthy quotes, it costs money to stay healthy, but it's even more expensive to get sick. So ano gusto natin? Diba? Prevention, healthy lifestyle, o magkasakit? And question number 3 naman mga kaibigan ay tungkol po sa aging process. If we could possibly improve our body's response to the aging process, when would we act? Sooner or later? Diba, we're getting older. When would we like to delay aging? Now or later? In 3 to 5 minutes time, let me share with you this one-page summary why I take my ImuRegen now. Kabisaduhin niyo po itong chart na to sapagkat dito po na nandito lahat yung pinaka-mensahe natin. Bakit tayo po ay kailangan uminom ng food supplement na ang nilalaman complex dietary nucleotides, peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids at minerals. So makikita po ninyo, naka-illustrate po yung ating pong katawan. Sa loob ng katawan, maraming organs. Bawat organ may tissue, bawat tissue, trillions of cells. Ngunit bawat cell po meron pong isang nucleus na nakikita nyo po kulay pula sa ating illustration. Through instrumentation, sinili po for the first time nakita yung 46 chromosomes that is present in each cell. At inside the chromosomes are the DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid, and inside the DNA are the components leading to the formation of nucleotides. So yung structure ng nucleotide ay naandyan po yung sinasabing nitrogenous bases, which we'll be discussing soon. Yan po yung adenine, thymine, that's one pair, and cytosine, guanine, that's one pair. Ngayon, pagkakulang po yung mga materyales, kagaya po ng mga nitrogenous bases, hihina ang DNA. Pag humina ang DNA, syempre hihina ang chromosome. Pag humina ang chromosome, hihina ang nucleus ng bawat cell. Kapag humina ang cells ng katawan natin, hihina ang tissue, hihina ang organs, hihina ang body systems, hihina tayo. Kaya ang mensahe natin, kailangan palakasin po natin yung ating pong kalusugan sa chromosome DNA level by supplying food ingredients that will support the nucleotide structure. Ang good news po, meron tayong ImuRegen. Tingnan po ninyo, nakalagay yung ingredients, complex dietary nucleotides, peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, and minerals. So ito po ulit mga kaibigan yung one-page presentation. We are now discussing the details. So himay-mayin po natin yung mga naka-picture sa slide na to. There are three keywords, macro, micro, molecular. Ibig sabihin ng macro yung nakikita natin with our naked eye. Yung micro, nakikita lang kung merong microscope. Yung molecular, biochemistry po yan. Yung mga sinasabing chemical structure. So, yung nakikita nyo pong diagram sa kanan, yung sinasabing one-page presentation, sinamarize niya yung macro. So, nakikita natin yung katawan ng tao, nakikita natin yung organs. Yung micro, yung tissue and cell, nakikita yan pagka ginamit natin ang microscope. And then, pag ginamit natin yung electron microscope, nakikita na po yung laman ng nucleus at nakikita na po ang chromosome. Ngayon, pagdating po sa chromosome at DNA at yung mga nitrogenous bases na adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, iyan na po ay biochemistry. Hindi na nakikita ng mata yan, pero naipapakita yan sa laboratorio. So on your left side, you can see now the structure of the DNA nucleotide and the RNA nucleotide. And then yung DNA nucleotide, double strand po yan. Yung RNA nucleotide, single strand po yan. Ngayon, yung kulay green, yan yung nitrogenous bases. So sa DNA, it's adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Pagdating sa RNA, yung thymine po ay uracil. Ngayon, when you look again at the one-page chart and then focus on the systems, yung systems natin 11 po yan or 12. Yung 11 systems, nakikita niyo po, nervous system, integumentary system, yan yung skin, hair, and nails. Respiratory system, digestive, excretory, skeletal, muscular, circulatory, endocrine system, yan yung mga hormones, reproductive system, tsaka yung lymphatic, yung immune system. Ngayon, pag isasama natin yung special senses, kagaya ng eyes, nose, throat, tsaka taste, smell, and balance, it will be eventually 12. So ito po, there are 12 systems in the body, and you will notice as we continue in our discussion that each system has many organs. Now, we mentioned that each system has many organs, and we mentioned there are 11 systems in the body. Now, here's an example of the respiratory system, just to show that one system has many organs. So nakikita nyo sa kanan, yan yung respiratory system at yung mga organs like yung nose, nasopharynx, bronchus, and the lungs. So each system has many organs. And then we further mention that each organ is made up of tissues. So nakikita nyo sa bandang kanan yung illustration, organ. Pagka sinilip po yung organ, tissue. Okay? So ang outline po lagi ay body, systems, organs, tissues, and cells. Ngayon sa sunod, titingnan naman natin ano ang itsura ng cells ng katawan ng tao. Sa bandang kanan mga kaibigan, nakikita niyo po yung simple tabulation with the illustrated body systems. So nakikita natin integumentary system, skeletal system, respiratory system, muscular system, circulatory, and digestive system. And then yung representative organs ng bawat system, and then bawat organ may tissue, and then bawat tissue may cell. So generally, pinapakita natin na ang cell ay circular, and then yung gitna may nucleus. Pero sa totoo lang, nakikita niyo po dito, different cells have different forms. Bagamat ganun pa rin ang basic structure. yung cell, and then sa gitna o nasa loob ng cell ay yung nucleus. So, you can now see from the left side the structure again: body, systems, organ, tissues, and cells. And we will now be focusing at the details of how a cell would look like. Now look at the chart, my dear friends, and you will see that each cell has one nucleus surrounded by the cytoplasm. So how do you find the cytoplasm? The cytoplasm is the distance between the nucleus and the cell membrane. So look at the diagram. Yung space niya, yan po yung cytoplasm. Nandiyan po yung mga different organs na ang tinatawag natin organelles sapagkat sila po ay mga microscopic organs. And then notice in each cell there is the nucleus. So here, my dear friends, we now illustrate the cytoplasm, which we describe as the area or space between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Maraming ano yan, organelles. Ito po lang, pinapakita lang natin yung basic structure, pero maraming organelles yan. At ang importante dyan yung mitochondria, which we will be discussing in some of our lectures. And then we have emphasized that each cell has one nucleus. So in the diagram sa may, or the image sa may left portion, you now see the nucleus, and then the plasma membrane or the cell membrane, and then the space or the area between them is the cytoplasm. O ngayon, inside the nucleus, okay, nakikita niyo po, inside the nucleus, nandiyan po yung chromosome. At inside the chromosome, nandiyan po ang DNA. At inside the DNA, nandiyan po yung mga nitrogenous bases, which comprises the complex structure of dietary nucleotides. Ngayon, nagiging exciting na yung ating pong discussion because we now have shown where the nucleus are located in the cell. Ngayon, inside the nucleus are the 46 chromosomes. Yan yung minana natin sa magulang natin. 23 came from our mother, 23 came from our father. So yan, naka-illustrate sa kanan yung mga chromosomal structure. So the 46 chromosomes are found in each cell, and it serves as our genetic inheritance from our parents. Tingnan niyo po yung diagram sa gitna. Yung tatay may 46 chromosomes, yung nanay may 46 chromosome. And then yung sperm cell tsaka yung ovum cell nasa bandang kaliwa. So nung nagkaroon ng fertilization at nabuo ka, naghati sila, nag-sharing. 23 sa tatay, 23 sa nanay, and then pinanganak ka, 46 chromosomes din ang nasa loob ng bawat cell mo. Sa loob ng cell, nucleus, and then chromosome, right? Okay, so 46 chromosomes ang nasa loob ng bawat cell, and there are trillions of cells in the body. Ngayon, inulit-ulit natin doon sa one-page presentation, yung cell, sa loob ng cell, nucleus, sa loob ng nucleus, chromosome, sa loob ng chromosome, DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. The DNA contains the blueprint of our life. So sa loob ng cell, nandiyan yung nucleus, nandiyan yung nuclear DNA, okay? At nandiyan po yung code. Yan, nandiyan yung ating pong, kung ano yung minana natin sa ating mga magulang. And the building blocks of our DNA and RNA are the nitrogenous bases, which is part of the complex structure of our nucleotides. So nakikita niyo po yung DNA nucleotide, yung RNA nucleotide, and then binanggit natin yung sa diagram, yung kulay parang yellow-green, right? Yan yung nitrogenous bases. At sa upper portion, nakikita niyo po yung nitrogenous bases. Sa DNA, it's adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Pagdating naman sa RNA, yung thymine is uracil. So sa nitrogenous bases ng RNA is adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Dito na nag-uumpisa yung science kung bakit nagkakaroon po ng encoding para magkaroon po ng genetic let's say, transmission, tsaka kung paano nabubuo yung mga hereditary traits. Yung nitrogenous bases po, which is part of the complex structure of nucleotides, adenine is always paired with thymine sa DNA. Pagdating sa RNA, imbis na thymine, uracil siya. So nakikita nyo, DNA, AT, that is adenine thymine, RNA, AU, that is adenine uracil. Pagkatapos po, yung cytosine is always paired with guanine. Kaya sa DNA, CG, cytosine, guanine. Yung pag-rumble nitong mga pairs na to is the basis kung paano nagkakaroon ng encoding. Kaya that is the basic science on how the blueprint of the DNA is being, let's say, formed. Pero ang gusto ko makita nyo mga kaibigan, yung halaga ng nitrogenous bases. Na kung nakikita nyo sa one-page presentation, andun sa dulo, na pag ito po ay nagkulang, edi obviously hihina ang DNA. Pag humina DNA, hihina chromosome, cell, tissue, organ, and system of the body. Kaya nga po sinasabi sa research, when there is lack of nucleotides, our DNA will become weak and unstable. And research have shown that when there is nucleotide deficiency, there will be genomic instability. So sa bandang kanan, makikita niyo po yung different factors that can lead to genomic instability. Kagaya ng mga genetic aberrations, epigenetic aberrations, and aging. Kaya po, ako po ay umiinom ng ImuRegen sapagkat yung ImuRegen po has dietary ingredients that will support DNA structure and function leading to body homeostasis. Ibig sabihin ng homeostasis, this is the ability of the balance to maintain dynamic, let's say, balance between the different factors that are moving within the body. Ngayon, naipakita natin yung halaga ng ingredients ng ImuRegen. Unang-una, meron siyang complex dietary nucleotides. Kaya nga po complex kasi nga it involves DNA and RNA nucleic acids, and sa structure nila yung phosphate, sugar, and the nitrogenous bases. All of them should be perfectly combined in order to maintain the integrity of the DNA. Kaya nga, ang magandang balita, yung ImuRegen na ating pong iniinom bilang food supplement, meron complex dietary nucleotides, meron amino acids, peptides and oligopeptides, and vitamins and minerals. And ImuRegen is when combined, the ImuRegen dietary ingredients, when combined with glucan and full-baked trace minerals, they will work synergistically to promote body homeostasis. Ano naman ang health benefits na makukuha natin sa ImuRegen? Based on research, the benefits generally are energy and stamina, mental alertness. It will support quick recovery from convalescence and fatigue. So para mapatunayan natin na totoo itong energy na to, I suggest that you try the 10-day energy challenge. Simple lang, sa loob po ng 10 araw, tingnan po natin yung build up ng energy sa ating katawan. Yung ImunPlus po mga kaibigan, isang simple preparation na merong ImuRegen. Meron siyang 20 dissolvable tablets sa bawat tube. Ang ginagawa lang po natin, kukuha tayo ng isang dissolvable tablet, ihalo po sa 500 ml water, preferably warm and alkaline. At ito po ay atin pong iinumin 2 beses sa isang araw. So 1 tablet 2 times a day, no? Yung first drink po immediately when you wake up in the morning. Yung second drink po about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then i-observe po natin yung body energy, stamina, mental alertness, and quick recovery from exhaustion or fatigue. Meron kang diary from a scale of 1 to 10, and 10 is the best score. Best score. You just observe every day for the next 10 days. And the common experience is that energy is boosted and energy is maintained, at pagka napagod, konting pahinga lang, mabilis makabawi. So yan po yung challenge natin para mapatunayan na totoo yung benefits ng pag-inom ng ImuRegen. So remember that our health is our first form of wealth. Health may not be everything, but when you lose your health, we may lose everything. Si Virgil pala ang nagsabi that the greatest wealth is health. So health is wealth. Be wealthy, be healthy and wealthy. Kaya minsan pinagsasama na natin yung health and wealth. Be wealthy. And always remember that prevention is always preferred than getting the best cure. Kinuha natin yan sa statement ni Desiderius Erasmus na siya ang nagsabi that prevention is better than cure. Sabi nga nila, prevention is better than cure, especially when there is no cure. Di ba? Ngayon, isang inspirational quote mula kay Thomas Edison, isang sikat na inventor sa Amerika. The doctor of the future, and I quote, will give no medicine, but will interest his patients in the care of the human frame, in diet, and in the cause and prevention of disease, unquote. Kaya sana nakatulong po itong maikling presentation sa mga kaibigan. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Dr. Arlie Macasiano Imperio, na lagi pong sumisigaw, mabuhay mula sa Pilipinas, and mabuhay means we wish for you more life, health, and prosperity. And always get in touch with the person who shared you this presentation and ask about the life, livelihood, and legacy program of Forever Healthy Products at kung paano nyo na pong umpisahan. And take the challenge and prove to yourself the energy that it will help within 10 days. God bless you, and always point to God, the source of our life and health.